In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a database in Notion. Whether you're tidying up your workspace or getting rid of a database you no longer need, this process is both quick and simple. To start, head over to Notion and log in to your account. If you aren't already logged in, you'll see the option to click Log In at the top right corner of the screen. If you prefer using your Google account, click on Continue with Google and select the Google account associated with your Notion workspace. Once you're logged into your account, navigate your way to the page where the database you wish to delete resides. Simply click on that page to access its contents. Now, here's where you need a bit of focus. It's important to identify the exact database you want to remove. As you hover your mouse over the 6 dots icon, this resembles a column of 2 dots, positioned to the left of the database block, you'll notice your cursor change. This indicates the interactive element. Go ahead and click on the 6 dots to bring up the menu options. At this point, a menu should appear before you. Scroll leisurely down until you find the Delete option. Before proceeding, remember that deleting a database is an irreversible action that removes all of its content. Once you've decided to go ahead, click Delete. Notion may prompt you one final time to confirm the deletion. Another click on Delete seals the deal and removes the database from your workspace for good. Congratulations, the database is no longer part of your workspace. Before wrapping up, let me offer a few tips to ensure you manage your Notion workspace effectively. Always double-check to confirm you're deleting the correct database. Mistakes happen, but taking a few extra seconds to verify you're removing the right one can save you plenty of trouble. Although deleted items can be restored from the trash, it's better to be sure initially. If uncertainty plagues your decision, you might want to consider archiving the page instead of outright deletion. Archiving is a safer option if you're unsure whether you might need the database in the future. And there you have it, a straightforward guide to deleting a database in Notion. With these instructions, you should be able to clear out unwanted information from your workspace, making your tasks more organized and manageable. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide was useful for managing your Notion database.